Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. This is a great way to separate your personal and work life or to use WhatsApp with two different phone numbers. Why would you want to use two WhatsApp accounts? There are a few reasons why you might want to use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. For example, you might want to separate your personal and work life. Use WhatsApp with two different phone numbers. Have two different chat histories. Use two different WhatsApp profiles. As you see, I have here my WhatsApp. The first important thing we need to say is that you need to have two phone numbers to have two dual WhatsApp. You cannot install two instances of WhatsApp with the same number. This is not possible, so buy first two phone numbers. How to use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone? There are two ways to use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone. Use WhatsApp Business. This is the official way to use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone. You can download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store and use it with your secondary phone number. Use WhatsApp Web. This is a less official way to use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone. You can open WhatsApp Web in a browser on your iPhone and scan the QR code that appears on your screen with the WhatsApp app on your phone. How to install WhatsApp Business? The first step is to download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for WhatsApp Business. Tap on the Get button to download the app. If you get the option to write your password or use Face ID, follow the on-screen instruction. Once the app is installed, open it and enter your secondary phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your number. After this, you will have two WhatsApps on your iPhone. Which method should you use? The best method for you will depend on your needs. If you want to use all of the features of WhatsApp, then you should use WhatsApp Business. However, if you just need a simple way to use two WhatsApp accounts, then you can use WhatsApp Web. That's how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Here are some additional tips for using two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp Business, you can create a separate business profile for your secondary account. This will help you keep your personal and work messages separate. If you're using WhatsApp Web, you can pin your secondary account to the top of the window so that it's easy to access. You can also use the Settings menu in WhatsApp to customize your experience for each account. For example, you can set different notification sounds and wallpapers for each account. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.